Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dipti and in today's video I'm gonna show you one beauty hack which will change your makeup routine. It's gonna save you lots of time. So what I did, today I did this makeup. Okay, this simple, natural. So the hack is, you may know this hack, but still I'm gonna share with you because that's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna share all these hacks to make our life easy, save our time. So what I did, I use the blush as an eyeshadow. Yes, I use this blush on my cheeks also as an eyeshadow. And it's pretty simple and it looks so good because blushes are always so pigmented. So you can easily apply on your lid and you get this monochromic natural look because it matches to your cheek and eyes. So pretty simple. That's what I did. So yeah, I used this blush on my cheeks and also on my eyes. So that's how I save my time. I made my makeup simple, natural, and you need only one product. You don't need eyeshadow palette. So this is how I did this makeup and I love it. So that's why I thought let's quickly share with you. So simple, right? Blush shades always comes in pinky brownish shadow. So why not use it as an eyeshadow? So that's what I did today. So I took this Mentor Cosmetics Buried Away blush. This is so pretty. Look at the berry shade. This is the perfect. सबको अच्छा लगेगा ऐसा कलर है. So I use this and I use this on my cheek. Ting. And then I took the eyeshadow brush and then little bit leke I just applied it on my eyes. So yeah, I use the same blush as the eyeshadow and as a blush. So, and I really like it. What do you think, guys? Pretty simple, and this Mentor Cosmetics blushes are very pigmented, gorgeous shades which perfectly match to my brown skin, and I really like it. So this is how I created this look. So if you want to save your time, use your blush as an eyeshadow as well. Put it on your cheek and then put it on your eyes. So quickly you will finish your makeup and it also looks so natural, simple, because blush colors are always light hote hain. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you. I used a blush as an eyeshadow and quickly finished my makeup. Pretty simple, natural, and I like it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this blush hack. It's a mommy hack. As a mother, we always try to find the creative ways to save our time, right? In a kitchen, and a makeup, in everything actually. So I hope you guys like this video. Also do check my others video. It's all about skincare, how to keep your skin healthy, youthful. I share everything about skincare, simple things about skincare. So do check my videos and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button. Also do check my description. I have added all the links there. Also added my Amazon link where you can find all the product, skincare product, also beauty product. So do check my description. So yeah, stay connected. We're gonna learn all these simple hacks to make our beauty routine easier and also keep our skin healthy and youthful. So do subscribe and I'll see you soon.